Bauxite can be used to make bauxite cement, abrasive materials, various compounds for aluminum in the ceramic industry and the chemical industry. A wide range of uses. It can also be pressed into a ball press. Do you know what the workflow of the bauxite ball press is? 1. Clean up the debris and fix the bolts before starting the bauxite ball press. After the load is removed, the ball press is allowed to start. 2. When testing the bauxite ball press machine, first use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation. If there is no other noise, it can be started when the operation is normal. 3. When feeding the bauxite ball press, it should be ensured that the electric feeder is evenly fed and the electric feeder is adjusted to the best effect, according to the warehouse pressure. 4. After the end of each shift, all the materials in the bin of the bauxite ball press should be used up and raw materials should not be left behind to avoid starting with load in the future. Finally, normal stop or emergency stop as opposed to the driving order. This is the workflow of the bauxite ball press.